I did the Audi TT coil kit conversion. So these are Audi TT coils, not R8 coils. Shout out to Monky London and CM Customs for this tip with the Audi TT coils. These are shorter and also black color for the people who don't like the red ones. So the harness kit is from DZR wire in Ireland. The ground is there on the manifold. It's a Nissan 200 SX S14A, so the igniter bypass harness is also there. And the big question is now, will the coil cover fit? And it fits. So you can also use the original coil kit cover with these coils. Also, these are way cheaper and the same like the R35 GTR coils. I paid for this kit with the coils under 180 euros. I have also the Bosch coils of it at home as a spare. And you don't need to buy R35 coils. These are way more expensive than these ones.